A second method that I may have for turning in whisks is through Google Drive. So here's my sample student. If I select whisk, right, you will watch the video. There's not a video attached to this one. Then you're going to go into My Documents. You want to make sure you pick the Edit. It will open up the whisk in either a dock, in this case it's a slide. So again, this is the same whisk 0 as the other one. So hopefully if you have it down, you don't really need to do any more work. But to use Equatio to answer this, you can either, if you want to add it straight to the whisk itself, like there's an empty space right here, that might work. Or you could go ahead and add a new slide down below and add it there. I think I'm going to try putting it right on here. So notice up here at the top is my Equatio symbol. When I select that, right, it's going to open the Equatio toolbar at the bottom down here. Now I'm going to choose uploading it through my phone. So I'm going to select the Equatio mobile. Then either the QR code, which you're seeing partial of it, I'm going to scan that in my phone, or I'm going to I can log in through this website, and it'll ask me to log into Equatio. Now I went ahead and on my phone I took a picture of my work. I am then going to save it. I don't want to save it as math. In this case, I want to save it as my actual image of work and put it into the document. So now, notice, if I close out of this, there's the picture of my graph. And I can either, if I want to keep it on this page, maybe I can just put it on the side here, or if you want to start a whole new page. So that's the other way of answering a whisk if I give it to you through a Google Drive. And we'll probably use both. Sometimes I'll have you do it straight into Schoology. Sometimes I'll have you input it in the Google Drive, and I'll even talk about which one do you prefer. So good luck. Try submitting the whisk 0 through using Equatio and a Google slide.